Ever feel like your processor leaves you hanging when something goes wrong? Most support teams barely understand your course setup, and that lack of help can stall your payments fast. Here's a quick way to stay organized when you need payment help. In Google Sheets, create a course payment overview listing your course names, payment schedules, and notes about each subscription. It helps you track what's running smoothly and what needs follow up. But even with perfect records, most processors still don't offer hands-on help when something breaks. That's where EasyPay Direct truly stands out. Their white glove service gives you a dedicated contact who knows your course business. So instead of explaining your setup to new reps each time, you get direct, personal help that actually solves problems fast. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description. Check it out to see how their one-on-one support and account management make course payments stress-free. Don't settle for slow or generic support. With EasyPay Direct, you get white glove service and a direct partner in keeping your course payments smooth and reliable. Click the link in the description to get started today.